Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Zikri Razik bin Rosaidi and my matrix number is AA211308. First of all, we were assigned to do group assignment for electronic subject and we have done it. Today, our group 9 will present about our electronic group assignment that titled Transistor Bias Circuit.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Is bin Masabri, AA210564, and I will now present to you for our assignment DAE 21303 for electronic about transistor bias, and I will begin explaining how we determine our ICAT from the datasheet that we find in the online. Right, first we need to search the data sheets, and this is data sheet that we conclude that is for transistor 2N1711 NPN lithium power transistor. And firstly we have to go to characteristics for our transistor, and to find to determine the ISCAT we must find the VCE SAT. From here we can conclude that we got two VCAT, that is one is ICAT is for 150 milliampere, and this is the lowest point of our VCAT VCESST. That means this is our ICAT. And now we just have to take this current value and then put it on our simulation for our ICAT, and that's it for me. And now I will currently pass it to my friends. Adios.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Fakri Arif bin Azhar. My number matric is AA212190. Okay, today I want to present about our step by step to making this project from the calculation until the simulation. Firstly, we going to the calculation. This is our group calculation for the question 1. To do the calculation, we firstly has to define IC-SAT. How to define the IC-SAT has been present by my friend. After define the IC-SAT, we can use the value to find the ICQ. To find ICQ is we just have to use the formula 1/2 ICQ-SAT and get the answer. By the value we also can find the IB. Then next we should have to find the RC and RE. After we find the RC and RE, we should find the RB. To find the RB, we must find the VCE first, and after we find the VCE, we can get the RB value by this formula. Okay, that's we go to the simulation. This is our simulation have done. In this simulation, we just have to use 3 resistor, 1 transistor 2N1711 VCC, and after we have connect all the component, we just have to connect the circuit with the multimeter to get the answer, to get the value of voltage and ampere. Okay, then we just have to run the simulation. After we run the simulation, we can get the value of the voltage and ampere. This is our value that we get at every each of the multimeter. Okay, that's all for the question 1. Okay, we can I will continue about the question 2. Okay, now I will continue to present for the question 2. Firstly, we go to the calculation. The calculation just same with the question 1. We just have to find the ICQ. To find the ICQ, we must have the ICSAT. Then we just have to find the VC and the VE for the circuit. We find the VC and VE to use the VC to find the RC, and while the VE we use to find the VB. After that we can find the RE, R2 and R1. Finish with the calculation. We just have now we go to the simulation. For the simulation, we just use 4 resistor in question 2, 1 VCC and 1 transistor, 2N1711. In the simulation, I forget to explain in question 1. We must have to change their beta to 145. After we change the beta, we also must have to change the resistor, followed by the calculation. The resistor that we have get is 10.92 kilo ohm for the R1. For the R2 we get the 261 ohm. For the RC we get 60 ohm, and for the RE we get 18 ohm. After that we just have to run the simulation. After we run the simulation, we will get the value for the voltage and ampere that we want to find. Okay, this is all the value that we have get. Okay, that's all for me to present about the simulation and step how to get the simulation. Then we continue with my friends.
So the last point is conclusion. So the conclusion of our group assignment is, without appropriate transistor biasing, the transistor may not function at all or amplify very poorly, such as produce clipping of the signal or produce too low of gain. Therefore, it's very important that a transistor is biased correctly for it to produce that intended output effect. So that's all from our group. Thank you.